Codelco or Davao Light Power Supplies na lugar ninyo. Who can bring me first? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. We'll have 4 winners for this. The first 4 guests that can bring me with a twist, kailangan ko na. I need pinaka-unang upat na makahatag sa ako ang 1,000 peso bills. Katong pinakabagong labas sa Bangko Sentral. Bawal na gusto pwede pinuon, ingani na ng Agila dili Manny Pacquiao ang nakabutang. Dito na yun please, para di mawala yung 1 kit, hindog dili pa niyo. Second winner. Usahay, check na ko usahay, kaya hindi siya pinuon. Pinuon? Sige, ganda na yung kwarta dito sa'yo. There you go. Arna, dito tayo please, para. Alright, last 1 winner. There you go, naunahan mo. Alright, please, dito tayo ma'am, kay Disod Magudra Igawas. Dito tayo please. Tagaan natin chance kasi we have 20 prizes for everyone. So that means kung hindi natin inanion, 20 po kagayos sa itong button. Alright, we have, I believe, the 4 winners. 5 winners. Let me check, ma'am. Usahay, i-check na ako ang baho. May ilhan ako sa baho kung tiki ba ito o dili. Inoon? Inoon siya? Kwarta yun. Triple Ace, captain din. Alright, this time. Congratulations, 5 winners. Before giving back your money or bills, I would like to say thank you so much for participating to our games. And of course, what was happening, boy?